The natural world is full of wonders. Few are as awe-inspiring as bird migration. Every year, billions of birds take to the skies. They journey across continents and oceans. These journeys are incredible feats of endurance. Birds navigate using the stars, the sun, and even the Earth's magnetic field. Why do birds undertake these arduous journeys? They migrate to find the best resources for survival. They seek out abundant food sources and suitable breeding grounds. These factors vary throughout the year, so birds have evolved remarkable adaptations to follow these resources across vast distances. The changing seasons signal the start of these migrations. As days shorten and temperatures drop, birds feel the urge to move. They gather in large flocks, preparing for their long journeys. The sight and sound of these flocks are a spectacle to behold. It is a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Let's take a closer look at one special place that welcomes millions of migrating birds each year, the Sacramento National Wildlife Refuge in California. The Sacramento National Wildlife Refuge is a vital sanctuary for migratory birds. It is located in the heart of the Pacific Flyway. The Pacific Flyway is a major north-south route for birds in North America. The refuge encompasses over 10,000 acres of wetlands, grasslands, and riparian habitats. These diverse habitats provide food and shelter for a wide variety of bird species. The refuge was established in 1937. Its purpose is to protect and preserve vital habitat for migratory birds. It plays a critical role in the survival of many species. Some of these species are endangered. The refuge serves as a safe haven for birds to rest and refuel during their long journeys. It also provides essential breeding grounds for many species. The refuge is managed by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. They work tirelessly to maintain the health of the refuge's ecosystems. This includes managing water levels, controlling invasive species, and restoring degraded habitats. These efforts ensure that the refuge continues to provide a safe and welcoming environment for migratory birds for generations to come. The Sacramento National Wildlife Refuge attracts a stunning diversity of bird species. Over 200 species of birds have been recorded at the refuge. This makes it a bird watcher's paradise. One of the most iconic species that visit the refuge is the sandhill crane. These majestic birds are known for their long legs, graceful necks, and distinctive rattling calls. They arrive at the refuge in large numbers during the fall and winter months. They often form massive flocks that can number in the thousands. Another common sight at the refuge is the snow goose. These striking white geese breed in the Arctic tundra. They migrate south to the refuge during the winter. Their arrival transforms the landscape into a sea of white. The air fills with their characteristic honking calls. Other notable bird species that frequent the refuge include the white pelican, the northern pintail, and the cinnamon teal. Each species has its own unique characteristics and adaptations. They all rely on the refugee's resources to survive their long journeys. Section 4, Navigating the Skies, Unveiling the Mysteries of Migration Routes. The journeys undertaken by birds during migration are nothing short of remarkable. These tiny creatures navigate across vast distances, often flying thousands of miles. They use a combination of instinct and learned behavior to find their way. One of the primary migration routes used by birds traveling to and from the Sacramento National Wildlife Refuge is the Pacific Flyway. This major flyway stretches from Alaska and Canada all the way down to South America. It acts as an aerial highway for millions of birds each year. Birds use a variety of cues to navigate along these flyways. They have an innate ability to sense the Earth's magnetic field. This acts like an internal compass, helping them maintain their direction. They also rely on celestial cues, using the sun and stars to orient themselves. In addition to these natural cues, birds also learn landmarks and geographical features along their migration routes. They pass this knowledge down through generations. This ensures that even young birds can successfully navigate their first migration. Section 5, A Sanctuary for Survival, the Importance of the Refuge. The Sacramento National Wildlife Refuge plays a crucial role in the survival of migratory birds. It provides them with essential resources and a safe haven during their long journeys. One of those most important functions of the refuge is to provide food for migrating birds. The refuge's diverse habitats support a wide variety of plants and animals that birds rely on for sustenance. The wetlands are particularly important feeding grounds. They are teeming with insects, fish, and other aquatic life. The refuge also provides shelter and protection for birds. The dense vegetation offers cover from predators and harsh weather conditions. The refuge's protected status ensures that birds can rest and refuel without disturbance. This is especially important during the breeding season when birds are raising their young. By providing these essential resources, the Sacramento National Wildlife Refuge helps to ensure the survival of countless migratory birds each year. It is a testament to the importance of conservation efforts in protecting these incredible creatures and their habitats. Our wetlands play a crucial role in the life cycle of migratory birds. These unique ecosystems provide essential resources such as food, water, and shelter. In this chapter, we explore the importance of wetlands and how they support the diverse bird populations that visit the Sacramento National Wildlife Refuge. Wetlands are nature's way of offering a sanctuary to countless bird species. The intricate web of life within these habitats ensures that birds have access to a rich supply of food. Aquatic plants, insects, fish, and amphibians flourish in these environments, creating a buffet for migratory birds. Water is another critical resource that wetlands provide. Migratory birds often travel thousands of miles, and access to fresh water is vital for their survival. Wetlands offer a reliable source of hydration, helping birds stay healthy and energized throughout their journey. Shelter is equally important. The dense vegetation found in wetlands offers a safe haven from predators and harsh weather conditions. Birds can rest and recuperate, hidden among the reeds and grasses, before continuing their arduous journey. Moreover, wetlands play a pivotal role in the breeding season. Many migratory birds return to these habitats year after year to raise their young. The abundance of food and shelter ensures that chicks have the best chance of survival. The Sacramento National Wildlife Refuge is a prime example of how wetlands support bird migration. By preserving these vital ecosystems, we help ensure that future generations of birds can continue their incredible journeys. Wetlands are not just a stopover, they are life's essential pit stops, offering everything a bird needs to thrive. Through conservation efforts, we can protect these precious habitats and the myriad of life forms they support. Wetlands are a testament to nature's resilience and a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. Birds have an incredible ability to navigate across vast distances. Scientists have discovered that they use a combination of the Earth's magnetic field, the position of the sun and stars, and even their sense of smell to find their way. This chapter delves into the fascinating science behind bird navigation. Imagine traveling thousands of miles without a map or GPS. For migratory birds, this is an annual reality, and their navigational skills are nothing short of extraordinary. One of the key tools in a bird's navigation toolkit is the Earth's magnetic field. Birds possess specialized cells in their beaks and brains that can detect magnetic fields, acting like an internal compass to guide them on their journey. The position of the sun and stars also plays a critical role. Birds use the sun's position during the day and the stars at night to orient themselves. This celestial navigation allows them to stay on course, even when flying over vast featureless oceans. Remarkably, some birds also rely on their sense of smell to navigate. Scientists have found that birds like pigeons can detect and follow scent trails, helping them find their way back to familiar locations. Understanding these navigational marvels not only deepens our appreciation for migratory birds, but also highlights the complex interplay of natural phenomena that guide them. It's a testament to the wonders of evolution and the resilience of life. As we continue to study these magnificent creatures, we uncover more about the intricate systems that enable their long journeys. These discoveries inspire us to protect the habitats and ecosystems that are crucial for their survival. Bird navigation remains one of nature's most captivating mysteries, a blend of instinct, adaptation, and the wonders of the natural world. Climate change is having a profound impact on bird migration patterns. Rising temperatures, changing precipitation patterns, and habitat loss are all affecting the timing and routes of migration. In this chapter, we examine the challenges that migratory birds face in a changing climate. As temperatures rise, the delicate balance that birds rely on for their migrations is disrupted. Warmer weather can cause birds to start their migrations earlier or later than usual, leading to mismatches in timing. For example, if birds arrive at their breeding grounds before food sources are abundant, they may struggle to find enough to eat, affecting their ability to reproduce and raise their young. Changing precipitation patterns can also alter the availability of water and food along migration routes. Wetlands, which serve as crucial stopover points for many migratory birds, may dry up or flood unpredictably, forcing birds to travel longer distances without rest or sustenance. This can lead to increased mortality rates and weaker populations. Habitat loss is another significant threat. As forests are cleared, wetlands are drained, and urban areas expand, the natural habitats that birds depend on are disappearing. This loss of habitat can force birds to find new routes, often through less suitable environments, increasing the risks they face during migration. The effects of climate change on bird migration are complex and multifaceted, but they underscore the urgent need for conservation efforts. By protecting and restoring habitats, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and supporting scientific research, we can help mitigate the impacts of climate change on these incredible travelers. Understanding the challenges that migratory birds face in a changing climate not only deepens our appreciation for their resilience, but also highlights the interconnectedness of our ecosystems. It's a reminder that the actions we take today will shape the world of tomorrow for both birds and humans alike. As we continue to study and protect these magnificent creatures, we are reminded of the beauty and fragility of our natural world. Together, we can work towards a future where migratory birds can continue their incredible journeys, free from the threats of a changing climate. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect migratory birds and their habitats. Organizations and volunteers work tirelessly to monitor bird populations, restore habitats, and advocate for policies that protect these incredible creatures. This chapter highlights some of the key conservation efforts underway at the Sacramento National Wildlife Refuge. At the heart of these efforts is the dedication of countless individuals who spend hours in the field, collecting data on bird populations and migration patterns. Their work provides invaluable insights into the health of bird species and the challenges they face. By understanding these patterns, conservationists can develop targeted strategies to protect these birds. Habitat restoration is another vital component of conservation. At the Sacramento National Wildlife Refuge, efforts are underway to restore wetlands, grasslands, and other critical habitats. By replanting native vegetation, removing invasive species, and managing water levels, these efforts create a thriving environment for birds to rest, feed, and breed. Advocacy and education also play a crucial role in conservation. Organizations work to raise awareness about the importance of protecting migratory birds and their habitats. Through community outreach, educational programs, and partnerships with local schools, they inspire the next generation to become stewards of the environment. Policy advocacy is another key aspect of conservation efforts. By working with government agencies, conservationists strive to implement policies that protect migratory birds and their habitats. This includes advocating for the protection of critical habitats, supporting sustainable land use practices, and addressing the impacts of climate change. The success of these conservation efforts is a testament to the power of collaboration. By working together, organizations, volunteers, and communities can make a significant impact in protecting migratory birds. As we continue to face the challenges of a changing climate, these efforts are more important than ever. Together, we can ensure that future generations will be able to witness the awe-inspiring sight of migratory birds making their incredible journeys. By protecting these remarkable travelers, we are also safeguarding the health and resilience of our ecosystems. Let's continue to support and amplify these conservation efforts, ensuring a brighter future for both birds and humans alike. The future of bird migration depends on our actions today. By protecting habitats, reducing pollution, and addressing climate change, we can help ensure that future generations will continue to witness the awe-inspiring phenomenon of bird migration. As we look ahead, it's important to recognize the power we hold in shaping the future for migratory birds. Simple actions such as supporting conservation organizations, reducing our carbon footprint, and advocating for stronger environmental policies can make a significant difference. Innovative technologies and research are also paving the way for a brighter future. Scientists are developing new tracking methods to better understand migration patterns, while conservationists are creating climate-resilient habitats to support birds in a changing world. Community involvement remains a cornerstone of these efforts. By fostering a connection with nature and educating others about the importance of migratory birds, we can cultivate a culture of conservation that spans generations. The road ahead may be challenging, but with collective effort and unwavering dedication, we can ensure that the skies remain filled with the vibrant flocks of migratory birds. Their journeys are a testament to resilience and adaptability, qualities that we too must embrace in our quest to protect them. Together, let's commit to a future where migratory birds continue to thrive, inspiring wonder and admiration for years to come. By safeguarding their journeys, we are also nurturing the health and diversity of our planet, securing a legacy of natural beauty and ecological balance for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating world of bird migration. Let's continue to work together to protect these incredible travelers, ensuring their stories are told for generations to come.